Hello everyone, in this video we are going to edit this image. It's just an example. You can use this trick on any kind of image. So let's say I have this image and it's Windows 11 and I want this to be Windows 12. I need to get rid of this one and put 2 instead. But it's an image, I cannot just write on it. I need to take this one out. So how can I do that? So first, let's select the image, then you want to click on edit. So once you are in here you will see different options in Magic Studio. We're gonna click on this Magic Eraser. So it will take you here to this page. Here is the brush size. You can make it big or small, whatever you want. Then we want to click there, here and here and here. Okay, once we do that, we click on erase, and as you can see it's gone, but I still see one dot in here. So let's click on that as well and click on erase. So right now I have Windows 1. So I'm done in here. I'm gonna click on this X, and here you can see I have Windows 1 now. The next thing I'm gonna do is, in order to put 2 here, I'm gonna click on text, and then let's click on the heading, and then I'm gonna put 2 here. When I have that, I can let's just short this, okay, and put it here. Let's increase the size to 100 maybe. Yeah, okay, it looks like that, but the color is now black. I want to make it the same color as this one. So for that to do, let's click on that, click on the color, and then as you can see the photo color is already here, and I want to click on that. And as you can see, I have a Windows 12 now. Well, when I do share, click on download, and then I'm gonna choose current page, and then I can download this. Okay, now once it's downloaded, let's just open it up, and then there we go, we have Windows 12. I do see that it's a bit above. I can bring it a little bit down as well. So let's go again, make it maybe a little bit big. Okay, and now if I download it again, current page, download, let's open it up. Alright, so here you have Windows 12 looking nice and beautiful. So this is how you would use the Magic Studio and the Eraser on Canva. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and share this video with other friends. It might really be a lifesaver for them. I will see you guys in the next video.